Hello, welcome back to my channel. Today I finally have a LookFantastic unboxing. I think this is the January one, which is strange because I still haven't received the December one. I mean, I know with Brexit going on and with the spike in COVID numbers, especially in England, it will probably take a while. But this has arrived, and strangely this was sent by DPD, or delivered with DPD. It had a tracking number and it is from Poland, not from England. I'm very confused. Let's just open up and let's see. Maybe they have changed this, you know, especially because, like I said, the COVID numbers and Brexit, and maybe they have to find ways to still send their boxes to Europe, the rest of Europe, without, I don't know. I don't really keep up with that. As long as I receive my box, I'm happy. Ooh, it's lavender. Love it. All that you are is enough. Let's see. This is not even closed properly. Is it good? Again, I don't have my glasses on, I don't see it. Ooh. Ooh. Okay. Okay. This might be something. The first thing I saw here was this. A beauty sponge. Now, I've had a bunch of beauty sponges before. Do I really have the need in using one? No, I usually use my fingers, but I will try it out. This is by So Eco. This is cruelty-free and vegan. This is completely recyclable packaging, and for 100 sponges sold, they will plant a tree or something like that. Because I really want to buy the Fenty foundation, so it might be nice to have a beauty sponge. Also, there's no leaflet. Oh, good God! I have to go to LookFantastic and see if I can find some. Oh, it's mint green. Oh, this is cute. Very, like, soft. You know, like some sponges are very dense and hot. This is nice. Let me go to LookFantastic and see if I can find this. An eco-friendly makeup sponge, perfect for applying cream/liquid products all over the skin for a flawless finish. With a pointed tip to reach those hard-to-reach areas, such as under the eyes and around the nose. Very excited for this. Whew, so excited. Okay, I just grabbed this. Grow Gorgeous Balance Shine Enhancing Overnight Mask. For your hair? Apply it to the length of dry hair, massaging the product onto the scalp. Leave it overnight. On waking, cleanse hair using pH balanced shampoo. Well, the thing is, I don't wash my hair in the morning. At least not first thing in the morning. I walk the dog and then have breakfast, and then, yes, I will probably not use it. Can I smell it? No, I can't. So I will probably not use this because I don't have time to use it, but it sounds interesting. A hair mask formulated to nourish your hair from roots to end. Getting to work overnight, when your hair is most susceptible to treatment, your Grow Gorgeous hair mask is formulated to enhance shine, reduce frizz, lock in moisture, and leave your hair with a silky, soft salon feel once styled. Like I said, I will put this into giveaway because I'm not going to use it. Oh, just the thought of having something in my hair overnight. No. Oh, no. Ooh. Wait, I have this one. Don't I have this one? I have one like this. Not this color, but it's a liquid lipstick. The color actually looks very nice. So this is by Sleek. This is the Matte Me Ultra Smooth Matte Lip Cream in French Fancy. Oh, that's intense. That's intense. Doesn't really smell that good, to be honest, but do you think that would work with my complexion? I'm not really sure. We have another one. I don't know what's called, but we have one like this. Oh God, oh, you have like 4 different ones that you can get. So it's all just randomized. So you either get the Hellolicious, you get the French Fancy that I have, you get Feels, or Roasted Almond. A liquid lipstick, intense in pigment with a light texture and matte finish. In your box is one of 4 shades, all with a long-lasting color that doesn't flake or dry out throughout the day. It kind of comes down to the color that I have on right now. I will definitely try it out. This, another mask. A hand mask! Oh my God! Star Skin Nourishing Double Layer Hand Mask Gloves. Oh my God. Yes, because my hands are so goddamn dry. Oh my God, I love it. And I love purple. It's like an eggplant color, and I'm over eggplants. It's a long story, but I cannot eat eggplant anymore. This is nice. Ooh. Oh, I would do a video on this. A hand mask designed to hydrate dry hands and cuticles. Drawing on an innovative double layer technology that produces a sauna effect to repair, condition, and soften even the roughest of hands. With a blend of 16 botanical extracts and oils making up the formula, your hands will appear visibly softer and more supple after just one use. so excited for this. Oh my god, I'm very excited for this. So only 2 products left. This is the SVR, Laboratoire Dermatologique, Hydralien, wait, English. This is English. Hydralien Légère, Intense Moisturizing Cream. Normal to combination skin. 24-hour hydration and comfort, light and non-greasy texture, velvety finish. Apply to the face and neck morning and or evening. Excellent makeup base. Fresh fragrance. I think it's with fragrance in skincare, it's always a hit or miss. If it's too strong, I cannot use it. Oh, that smells good. I really love it. Oh, that smells like high-end skincare. And I'm almost out of my face oil that I currently use. So I feel like they know me. They stalk me. They stalk me through my webcam, like the FBI always does. A facial moisturizer perfect for soothing very dry and sensitive skin. Dermatologically proven to keep skin moisturized for up to 24 hours. Hypoallergenic and formulated specifically to treat even the most sensitive skin types. Oh, that sounds like a dream in like a tube. Very intrigued. Ooh, love it. And then the last product. Have you realized that it's very self-care related, if that makes sense? You know, they have the hand masks, you know, so you can relax a little. You have the intense moisturizing face cream. You have the intense moisturizing scalp treatment. It's all just to pamper yourself. And, you know, I feel like it's a new year and we should take care of ourselves just a little bit better than last year. But yeah, it's okay. And the last thing I have is an eye cream. Extra nourishing eye cream. Again, take a day off or take 20 minutes out of your day and then just relax and enjoy life. So this is the Verso eye cream, extra nourish. Nourishing formula for skin around eyes. Produced in Sweden. Oh, that's nice. It doesn't always smell good though. If it works, you know, that's all that matters. And I think you either get this one or you get the Dr. Botanicals Avocado and Cucumber Natural Cleansing Bar. Verso, you say Verso, I don't know. An anti-aging under eye moisturizer. Rich in hydrating ingredients to promote smoother, healthier, and more supple looking skin around the eyes. Remedying dry, dull, and dehydrated skin whilst minimizing signs of aging. Okay, I'm here for it. That's it. That's everything that's in the box. There's no leaflet, there's no additional info. So apparently this box is worth over £57. What am I most excited for? I don't know. I mean, this I would put into a giveaway. I mean, I'm excited for the sponge because I've been wanting a new sponge for a while. Will I use it regularly? Will I clean it regularly? Probably not. You know me. I don't really clean my brushes that often. Oh god, that sounds so bad, but you know what I mean. Honestly, who washes their brushes every single day? I don't. Okay. Sue me. I'm excited for this. I'm excited for the hand mask. And for this cream. These two are fine. But I'm very excited for the rest of it. Oh, cannot wait. Okay, so that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up if you did. I also have a referral code for this beauty box, or for the next beauty box, in my info box. You don't have to use the code if you don't want to. I'm not pressuring anyone to do it. And yeah, I see you in the next video.